Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super easy wash and go for you. So you want to start on freshly washed hair. I have my hair into sections from deep conditioning, and you want to remember the smaller the sections, the more defined your curls will be. So for this style, I used only two products, Lotta Body Foaming Mousse and Eco Styling Olive Oil Gel. So as you can see, I'm taking small sections, splitting them in half. I'm adding on mousse and then the gel, and then I'm just raking my fingers through, and this is going to help with defining the curls. So the Lotta Body Mousse will create and define your curls without frizz, while the Eco Styler Gel will define your curls, but most importantly, it will give them hold, so your wash and go can last about at least a week. I did start off using a detangling brush with each section, but I went back and used my fingers. It was just much better just to use your fingers. It just made the curls in your coils just look more defined. So again, you would just add the foam to your hair, then the gel, and the Eco Styler gel does work best with water. So if you feel it getting a little hard, you just want to add just a little bit more foam, and then start raking your fingers through your hair, and that's going to help with defining those curls, and it's going to get the look that you want. So if you did not see, my hair is 4B at the front and more of 4C at the back. So that means I do have a lot of shrinkage, and I'm okay with it. And I love it because I've had it for a while because it's my hair. But if you are not okay with the shrinkage and you want to have a more elongated look, all you have to do is just take some bobby pins and place it not where your curl is at the bottom, but in the middle, closer to your scalp. So this way, when you have the bobby pins in your hair, as your hair dries, it will not shrink up. It will dry at that stretched out length. So this is the final look, you guys. My curls are popping and they juicy and they are shiny and still moisturized. So you guys, if you like this video, please like it and subscribe so you can catch all the videos that I have coming. Bye.